It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and with military precision, dairy workers in hundreds of farms across Britain are preparing cows for the first milking of the day. But not on this farm. This is Manor Farm in Oxfordshire. Some of the cows are having a lie-in, others are enjoying their breakfast. And there's not a human in sight. On this farm, it's the cows, not humans, that dictate the milking timetable. And it's all thanks to a robot that allows the cows to be milked whenever they feel like it. Welcome to the first organic dairy farm to be fully robotic. Farmer Neil Rowe is the man in charge. He believes that the key to keeping cows healthy is to make them happy. The entire farm is a shrine to bovine joy, and at the heart of it is a piece of seriously high-tech wizardry.
Basically, we have a robot which interacts with the cows and the cows with it, and we've created what is a voluntary milking system.
Dairy cows can produce on average 30 litres of milk a day, but can only carry 10 litres in their udders, so milking is crucial to keeping them comfortable. When they feel full, they wander over to the milking shed and queue up for the robot. It's designed to be a pleasurable experience to keep the cows coming back. The robot recognises a tag around the cow's neck as it enters and calculates how much milk it will have produced since its last visit. It then mixes up a meal to replace the exact protein and carbohydrate that the cow is about to lose. Rotating brushes sterilise and massage the cow's teats to stimulate the milk flow, and vacuum pumps latch on, guided by a series of invisible lasers. The milk from each quarter of the udder is collected separately, and its exact protein and fat content analysed and logged into a central computer.
The cows are very, very relaxed, and they're much quieter than they would be in a conventional farm where people are telling them what to do.
And it's all to the soothing tones of classical music.
Yeah, normally the cows like to listen to Mozart, and they do seem to like listening to it. And there is some scientific evidence to say that when they're listening to Mozart, the cows transfer the milk from their udder into this jar up to 10% faster.
The robotic system isn't a new idea. It's been around for years, but was originally developed for highly intensive factory farming, where the cows spend their short lives in concrete sheds and are pumped full of drugs to hold off disease. Where Neil is unique is in his approach to the technology. He recognised how the robot's features could be integrated into an organic ethos, where the cows are free to enjoy the finer things in life, and rampant disease is a thing of the past. His cows are happy cows. But don't just take our word for it. Dr. Dirk Zaire is one of the world's top bovine experts. And he's a big fan of Neil's setup. Blimey, I'm glad he's not my doctor.
The uterus is a 3. Milk consistency is about a 3. And the digestibility is a 1. So that is very good. The nice thing about Neil's farm is he does not use drugs. We do alter it here with management, because management is the key how to improve this. And Neil's farm is the proof of the pudding, so to speak. His disease incidence is very low. His culling rate is very low, which is a sign on itself of happy, healthy cows. You see here, eating my hand, eating from my hand. Well, you know, this is a happy animal.
Now that Neil's gone robotic, he only has to visit the farm a couple of times each day for routine maintenance. And this frees him up to spend more time with his family.
There are one or two farmers' wives I know that are not too keen on it because it means their husbands are around a lot more.
So Neil gets to do the school run now. And he's also spent time pioneering a system that selects milk with particular qualities.
we can actually ask the robot to select milk from Pacific cows which are producing the highest quality milk for making ice cream. There's no other way of doing that in a conventional system.
This ice cream manufacturer in Oxford is able to specify the exact protein and fat levels it needs for the perfect scoop. And they're so proud of it, they have Neil's cows on the wall.
This is a win-win situation, that the cows can win by having a better lifestyle, the farmer wins because he has more time and a better return on his investment, the consumer wins because they're getting a better product.
And the final word goes to Daisy, which I think means I couldn't agree more.